I'm Nikisha.
Hi, I'm Viduthalai.
Hi, I'm Rohini. We are parents of Nikisha. We are from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. We are extremely proud and happy of Nikisha as a record holder in International Book of Records.
International Book of Records has recognized and awarded Nikisha as a young achiever of answering 100 GK questions in least time. We are extremely thankful to IBR for adding Nikisha to their list of young achievers.
Once again, thank you, IBR.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How many days do we have in a week?
7.
How many days are there in a year?
Day 65.
How many colors are there in a rainbow?
7.
Which animal is known as tip of the desert?
Camel.
How many letters are there in English alphabet?
A-I-O-U.
How many letters are there in English alphabet?
26.
How many sides are there in triangle?
3.
In which direction does the sun rise?
East.
Which are the vowels in English alphabet?
A-I-O-U.
How do you spell your name in English?
N-I-K-I-S-H-A.
We smell with our.
Nose.
Which is the largest mammal?
Blue whale.
Which is the fastest animal on the land?
Cheetah.
Which is the tallest animal on the earth?
Giraffe.
Which animal is called king of forest?
Huh?
Which animal is?
Lion.
Which fruit is called king of fruit?
Mango.
Which vegetable is called king of vegetable?
Eggplant.
Which fruit is famous all over the world?
Banana.
What are the primary colors?
Red. Yellow. Blue.
What do you call house made of ice?
Igloo.
Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
Which is the largest planet?
Jupiter.
Which is the most sensitive organ in our body?
Skin.
Which festival is known as festival of colors?
Holi.
Which festival is called festival of light?
Diwali.
What is the top color in a rainbow?
Rabbit. Red.
Which bird lays the largest egg?
Ostrich.
Which festival is known as festival of flowers?
Onion.
What are the continents?
Asia, Africa, South America, North America, Europe, Antarctica, Australia.
Which are the colors in a rainbow?
7.
Which are the colors in a rainbow?
Red, orange, yellow, blue, green, indigo, violet.
Which is the smallest continent?
Australia.
Which is the tallest mountain?
Mount Everest.
Which continent is a dark continent?
Africa.
Which is the largest continent?
Asia.
Which is the longest river on the earth?
Nile.
What do you call type of shape that has 5 sides?
Pentagon.
Which place is known as the roof of the world?
Tibet.
Which is the densest rainforest in the world?
Amazon.
Which is the nearest star to the planet Earth?
Sun.
How many bones does a human adult have?
206.
How many lungs does a human adult have?
2.
How many teeth does a human healthy adult have?
32.
Which is the largest ocean in the world?
Pacific.
What do you call a person who brings a letter to your home from post office?
Postman.
How many years are there in 1 millennium?
1000.
Which way the counterclockwise rotates, left or right?
Left.
Which is the principal source of energy for Earth?
Sun.
Which is the coldest location for Earth?
East Antarctica.
Which country is called land of rising sun?
Japan.
Which two parts of the body continue to grow for your entire life?
No. Seattle.
Which is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Which is the largest island in India? Which is the largest island in the world?
Greenland.
Which is the hottest planet in solar system?
Venus.
Which is the smallest planet in solar system?
Mercury.
Which planet is called as blue planet?
Earth.
Which is the smallest bird in the world?
Hummingbird.
What is the national animal of India?
Tiger.
What is the national bird of India?
Peacock.
What is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
Which is the largest country in the world?
Russia.
How many strings does a violin have?
4 strings.
Which country is home country for kangaroo?
Australia.
How many stars are there in American flag?
50.
What color symbolizes peace?
White.
Who is the founder of Microsoft?
Bill Gates.
Which African nation is famous for chocolate?
Ghana.
Which language is used by the computer to process data?
Binary language.
Which is the hottest substance available on earth?
Diamond.
Which city is the Statue of Liberty in?
New York.
Name any reptile.
Snake.
Which is the biggest desert in the world?
Sahara.
What is the largest joint in human body?
Knee.
Which fish is called king of sea creature?
Shark.
A shape that has 8 sides?
Octagon.
What language do the people of Japan speak?
Japanese.
The national currency of USA?
Baseball.
The national currency of USA.
Dollar.
What is sound made by donkey?
Hee-haw.
What do bee gives us?
Honey.
We should always cross the road at?
Zebra crossing.
The green light of the traffic signal tells us to?
Go.
During which festival does a Santa come to visit?
Christmas.
Which animal having the longest lifespan?
Tortoise.
The first animal to go into space?
Dog.
The baby kangaroo is known as?
Jolly.
Which one of the sea creature changes its colors?
Octopus.
How many tentacles the octopus has?
8.
What sea creature has the longest memory? What the world's largest aquarium is?
Sydney.
The group of snake is called?
10.
A universal donor blood group is?
O.
What is called brain of computer?
CPU.
Name any 3 root vegetables.
Carrot, beetroot, radish.
Which plant grows in desert?
Cactus.
What is the national tree of India?
Banyan tree.
Which insect has colorful wings?
Butterfly.
Which organ purify our blood?
Kidney.
In which season we wear warm clothes?
Winter.
Which acid is found in lemon?
Citric.
What is the national game of USA?
Baseball.
Who controls all the body parts?
Brain.
What are the sense organs in our body?
Eyes, nose, ears, mouth, skin.
Good job.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, 1 in a million.